Jessica, stop being like this. Stop ignoring me. I have nothing to do with you anymore. Stop bothering me, Glenn. I'll stop bothering you kapag may bago ka na. Eh wala. So I'll keep chasing you hanggang sa mamatay ako. I'm glad you're here na may sugar plum spice. I'm really sorry about yesterday. I won't be late again, I promise. Pati na tayo ah. And also, I really love your hair color. Bagay sa'yo. Who the heck is this, Jessica? My sugar plum spice. The love on top of my strawberry. I love you. Are you being serious right now? Hindi mo to kilala. Ah, I get it. Ganito yung mga nasa movies eh. Magpapanggap kayong mga babae na meron na kayong bago para makawala sa mga taong naghahabol sa inyo. Halika na, sugar berry. Sugar berry? Sabi mo lalayuan mo na ako kapag may bago ako, diba? Ito na siya. So go away or do you want me to report you for stalking me? Di pa tayo tapos ha. Gusto mo bang mapahiya, Brad? Please na. Kairita so much. Anyway, thank you for helping me ah. Libre mo ako. Ha? Akala ko naman. Wala nang libre rito sa mundo. Swerte ka, single ako. Pwede mo talaga akong gawing boyfriend mo. Ew. Ew, pero ako yung napili mong maging fake. I had no choice, okay? Ikaw yung dumaan, kaya ikaw yung napili ko. If dalawa naman kayong dumaan, hindi ikaw yung pipiliin ko, no? But you chose me, so I passed your standards. You're arrogant pala. Sana hindi na lang ikaw yung pinili ko. Libre mo na ako, sakto, gutom ako eh. Ayabang ka na, matakaw ka pa. I'm Aris and my favorite hobby is playing guitar. I also play video games and I love sleeping. So kapag hindi ako nagre-reply, ibig sabihin tulog ako. I'm 24 and yung trabaho ko is I'm managing my own business. No one's asking. Share ko lang kasi baka ma-hotseat ka ng ex mo. Mukha pa naman siyang runner. Sige, kahabulin ka hanggang sa panaginip mo. Matapasa na siya. How about you, miss? What's your work? I edit videos for my international clients. And tell me about yourself. Okay na yon. You don't need to know me because this is the last time we'll be seeing each other. Talaga lang ah. And we meet again, Sugar Berry. Akala ko ba hindi na tayo magkikita? I think this is destiny. Ang corny mo. Wala na mas kukorny pa sa binigay mong call sign sa akin. Sugar plum spice. Ikaw nga pinangatawan man talaga yung Sugar Berry. Cute kaya. Pero maiba ako. Ginugulo ka pa rin ba ng ex mo? Sa ngayon hindi na, but I think nasaktan ko yung ego niya because of you. Kaya may chance na balikan niya ako. Alam mo, dito ka na lang palagi sa cafe na to. Dito ka na lang tumambay kahit wala kang orderin. Mas safe ka rito. Kapag sinabi ko pala nandito ako, pupuntahan mo ako? Grabing fake boyfriend naman to. Bakit kita pupuntahan? Eh dito ako nagtatrabaho. What? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, I'm managing my own business. This cafe is my business. Napapadalas ka yata rito. Sabi mo dito na lang ako tumambay eh. Hindi ko naman ina-expect na araw-araw kang tatambay rito. Hindi, aalis na ako. Cute mo talaga, Maines. Usual order ba? Yes. Please muna. Please. Uy! Huwag mo na akong titignan ng ganun ah. Pangit. Pangit mata ko. Pangit na kinakalabasan ng tibok ng puso ko. Mali yata itong pinasok na. Please. Sino hanap mo? Si Aris. Road to real na ba itong meron tayo? What? Nahanap mo ko eh. Gusto lang kitang yayain, like, pambawi sa pagtulong mo or whatsoever. Wait lang! Nagpapaalam ka na ba? Hindi pa ako mamamatay, no? I'm very healthy kaya. I mean, hindi na ba kita makikita kaya ganito ka sa akin? This is just me being kind, okay? Stop overthinking. Anyway, let's have dinner later, 7 p.m. I'll text you kung saang restaurant ka pupunta. Jessica! What? Miss mo na agad ako. Wala ko number mo. Ayan na, okay na, mamaya na lang. Don't be late. Cute ka talaga. Ang sungit na, ang tapang na, ang ganda pa. Para siyang pusa. Sino cute, Aris? Ako ba? Pia, your girlfriend is finally back. Ex-girlfriend, Pia. Ex-girlfriend. I'm still back. I'm here na. This is not the first time naman na hindi ako sinipot ng kadate ko. Date? You're out of your mind, Jessica. He's not your date. You were just being kind because he helped you and binibigyan niya kasi ako ng free food. Kaya, he is not your date. But why do I feel sad dahil hindi niya ako sinipot? I'm sorry I'm late. Paalis na ako eh. I'm so sorry, Jessica. Nangyayari naman talaga to. My ex suddenly showed up and she's with her mom kaya wala naman akong pake. Wala akong pake. Parehas pala tayo nakatali sa mga ex natin, no? That's interesting. Interesting. Let's eat! Ilang araw na siyang hindi napunta rito. Sino? Sino hinahanap mo? Bakit nandito ka na naman, Pia? Gusto ko lang makita tong cafe na to, tsaka I'll be here for 2 months lang, tapos babalik na ulit ako sa Amerika. Sinusulit ko na yung stay ko, you know naman I don't have friends, like, ikaw lang na ex ko pa. Correction, I'm not friends with you. Ay, grabe siya, but we're in good terms. Because we had a proper breakup, it was a mutual decision. Ayaw mo magkabalikan tayo? Ayoko! Uy, that's good. Ayoko rin kasi may bago na ako. Ito siya. Pero sino yung cute na sinasabihan mo na nakaraan? Jessica, I was waiting. I'll be there in 20. Wrong cafe. Jessica! Siya ba yun? Wait, she's like very pretty. Like, pretty ha? Pero bakit kanya iniwasan? May ginawa ka sa kanya, no? Wala, no? I mean, inaasar ko lang siya tapos... Alam ba niya na ex mo ko? Shucks. Baka naman ma-misunderstood niya tayo. He likes her for sure. Ay, mukhang mapapaaga uwi ko sa Amerika nito. I guess this is our last interaction, Aris. Respect boundaries. Jessica! What? She's my ex, but... Ah, siya yung ex mo? Ganda niya. Hindi kami nagkabalikan, hindi kami magkakabalikan. Hindi ko naman tinatanong. Jessica! I told you to wait, diba? I just can't wait to see you, kaya ako na sumulubong sa'yo. Akala ko ba ayaw mo na siyang... Hindi niya sinabi sa'yo, pre. Alam ko na yung totoo. Hindi ka talaga niya boyfriend. Tsaka kilala ko to si Jessica. Hindi ka niya type and I know she won't betray my love for her. Nagkabalikan kayo? Let's not see each other again, Aris. I'm done using you, kaya umalis ka na. Okay. You really made a good decision na balikan ako. Sino may sabing babalikan kita? Gusto mo akong makita because of that, right? Gusto ko makipagkita because of this. What the heck, Jessica? How dare you na ipagkalat na we broke up because I stole some money from you? Ang bobo mo talaga, alam mo ba yun? Let's be clear, Glenn. Nakipag-break ako sa'yo because you are a gold digger jerk na hindi nagbabayad ng utang. Aside from that, you were the one who stole some money from me while I went sa CR habang kumakain tayo sa restaurant. Alam mo ba kung paano ko nalaman yon? The waiters told me and we had to check the CCTV and my gosh, I honestly felt the secondhand embarrassment sa ginawa mo. Tanga! Oh, let me just also remind you na you had an affair with your boss kasi mapera siya, di ba? Double tanga. Kaya don't expect na magkakabalikan tayo because you brought so much pain to me. And wag ka na rin mag-expect na gugustuhin ka ng lalaki kanina. What? For 4 years of being in a relationship with you, kilalang kilala na kita, Jessica. You like that guy but something went wrong, right? Good luck with that. I hope you experience another heartbreak. Glenn. I knew it. Hindi mo talaga ako matitiis. That's for not keeping your mouth shut. Alicia po, ulit-ulit. Oo na nga po, bibili na kita ng apples. Bye sis, love ya. Kulit. Jessica, can we talk? Ayoko. Hindi ka na talaga pumunta sa cafe. I told you, Iris, let's not see each other again because I'm done using you. Gamitin mo pa ako. Huh? Para lagi kitang nakikita. Para lagi kitang nakikita. You're out of your mind. Alam ko hindi talaga kayo nagkabalikan ng ex mo. How did you know that? Feel pala na ipasok sa isip mo na kami na ulit. Nandun ako nung nag-usap kayo. Okay, I was worried kasi kasama mo yung ex mo tapos baka mamaya. Masaktan niya ako. Alam mo, chismoso ka. Gumanti na ako kaya I'm already fine. Naka-move on na rin ako and kapag nilapitan niya pa ako, baka matadyakan ko na siya sa mukha. What's funny? Para ka talagang pusong nagagalit. Cute mo. Anyway, ano bang pag-uusapan natin? Kasi kung wala na, I'll go ahead. Are we okay? 3 months ago mo pa yung tinatanong. Kasi okay naman tayo, tapos after mo ko ilibre sa restaurant, iniwasan mo na ako, tapos yung huling usap natin parang may nagawa akong kasalanan. Wala. Bakit mo nga ako iniwasan? Iniwasan kita kasi akala ko you're back with your ex. Di ba sabi ko hindi kami magkakabalikan? After we had our dinner, kinabukasan nun, I was about to enter your cafe, kaso I saw you guys talking, smiling, laughing, and being so happy. So I had a hunch na siya yung ex mo tapos nagkabalikan na kayong dalawa. We had a proper breakup, that's why we're in good terms. Tapos last month, bumalik na siya ng Amerika ulit. But just to be clear, walang naganap na kami if yun yung nasa isip mo hanggang ngayon. Wait, hindi pa ako tapos and then I decided na pumunta ulit 2 days later and then I saw you guys again and of course, iisipin ko na oh my gosh, I think nagkagusto ako sa isang taong may girlfriend. I just can't. Jessica, listen to me for... What?
May gusto ka rin sa akin?
Hindi yun yung pinag-uusapan natin, okay? That's not... Wait. Rin? Gusto rin?
Jessica, I'm not getting back with my ex kasi she's already aware na I like someone else. Na I like you and I wanna pursue you, I wanna serve your food whenever you do your work sa cafe. I wanna cook for you, gusto kong gawan ka palagi ng paborito mong frap. Gosh, Jessica, I can't get enough of you. I want you and I like you. And I need you and I like you again.
I want to run away. Nahihiya na ako.
What are you doing?
I'm minding my own business.
Nagpa-practice ka na to manage this cafe. Sa wakas, may katulong na rin ako.
You're so epal talaga.
You're so sungit talaga.
Kanina mo pa ako inaanoy. Wala ka bang ibang gagawin, Aris?
Meron. Panoorin ka.
You have other customers.
My staff can take care of them. Chill, Sugarberry. Break time ko ngayon.
How can I chill if ang lakit mo tumingin and you're making me lose my breath like, ew!
Honest mo naman po masyado.
Doon ka na kasi.
Ba't ka pa nagpunta rito kung ayaw mo naman ako katabi?
Fine, aalis na ako.
Dito ka lang, tapos dito lang ako.
Clingy, hindi pa nga tayo.
Practice, tawag rito, Sugarberry.
Hampas ko kaya sa itong laptop.
Ha? Di ko na to gagawa ng frap?
Ha? Ano nga ulit yun, Aries? Gusto mo tumabi sa akin? Kahit 24/7 pa. Okay na okay.
Grabe. Hey,
Hi.
how do I look?
You look pogi. Are you being conscious, Aries?
Siyempre, first official date natin to eh.
Hala siya, ang tagal na kaya natin magkakilala.
Correction, we're not just magkakilala. I'm Aris, your suitor, and you're Jessica, my Sugarberry.
Can you stop with the call sign? It's so corny kaya.
But we're matchy kaya. Sugarberry, sugar plum spice, the love on top of your strawberry.
La 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 la.
Jessica. Bag.
I can carry my bag naman.
I know you can, I just wanna hold it for you. Please.
Okay. Ang pogi.
Ako lang to.
What if baguhin mo na yung color ng hair mo? Like, tignan mo sa akin from pink to this.
Ayoko nga, paparetouch ko lang to pero hindi ko to papabago. Sabi mo kasi I look good in this hair color eh.
And also, I really love your hair color. Bagay sa'yo. That was 2 years ago. Yes. And?
Bag baby.
Tingin ka rito, Aris. Ay, ang pogi talaga. Alam mo ba, I really love your eyes.
Sabi wag mo akong tignan ng ganyan. Hindi kinakaya ng puso ko.
Wala ka pa rin talagang pagbabago ng OA-OA mo pa rin.
OA over I love you.
Thank you sa paghati dito sa airport, may sugar plum spice.
I'm gonna miss you, my Sugarberry. Hindi kita makikita for 5 days, but it's fine because you'll have your best vacation sa Singapore.
Mamimiss kita, kaya sasama ka sa akin.
Sama ako, ha?
I secretly booked 2 round-trip tickets to Singapore and this trip is my gift for you. Happy birthday, my Aries. Don't worry about your clothes kasi yung maletang yan, sa'yo yan. Nag-pack ako na hindi mo alam. Tapos yung passport mo, nandito na sa akin.
Kaya pala dalawang malaking maleta yung dala mo. Ay. Thank you, Jess. Really.
Dapat ma-enjoy natin tong trip na to, ha? I love you, my clingy baby sugar plum spice, the love on top of my strawberry.
And I love you, my sumit Sugarberry.
Corny talaga ng tawagan natin.
Umpisa mo kasi, ayan tuloy nadala.
Ganon. O, ikaw magdala ng maleta natin.
Just wait for me.